channel, it's Star. Today I'll be teaching y'all how to make the gift bags for a quinceanera court. I'll be teaching y'all how to make two types of gift bags. One with little goodies in it, like snacks and edible stuff, and the other one with little gifts. So if y'all want to see how I make that, just keep watching. I just got this little medium-sized gift baggie, plastic bags, skinny pop popcorn, a little Gatorade, some fruit, and some treats. So we're gonna push some of this stuff off to the side. First, we're gonna start off with putting in the fruit. So I got a baggie. I opened the baggie up. And I'm going to put some fruit inside. Then we're just going to close it up tightly so it won't spill. Then we're gonna get the second bag and we're gonna open up our trail mix. And there we go. We got our fruit, trail mix, our skinny pop popcorn, and our Gatorade. Now we're going to put all our ingredients inside. But before you do that, you're just going to push everything off to the side. And then you can find these little silver glitter stickers at Walmart. So to personalize the bag, I'm just going to take some letters and put it on there. Now we're going to open up the bag and put everything inside neatly because we don't want everything falling out. Gatorade, our skinny pop popcorn, our fruit and trail mix, and then I just took a paper towel. I folded it in half and then folded it one more time for one of my quince girls, so like in case they get their hands dirty, they can just wipe it off real fast. And that is the finished product of your goodies gift bag. The next gift bag, I'm just going to take a little pink paper bag. So what we're going to put in it is this little necklace, and it will match mine, and some Clorox wipes, the to-go pack. So like in case they get a stain, you just wipe it off real fast. Mouthwash, because they're going to be our greeters, and I'm going to have them doing a lot of stuff that day. Some hairspray, so in case their hair gets too poofy, they could just like fix it. So we're going to open up the bag. We're gonna put everything inside, so just to see where everything fits. And you're gonna fold it 2 inches from where it's like that, and then we're gonna take everything out. We're gonna take our hole puncher and punch 2 holes right there. So then after you hole punch it, you should have this at the top, like that. We're gonna open it up. So then we're going to take our ribbons and place them on the side. We'll use them right now. So I'm going to take the glitter stickers that I got from Walmart and I'm going to put it on. The holes are the top and the place where it has this flap thingy is on the bottom. Now I'm going to put Zola again. I'm going to put it in the middle of the bag. Y'all can put it wherever y'all want, but I prefer in the middle so they can see the name. So this is how it's going to look. So we're going to open it back up and we're going to put everything back in. Here goes the Kleenex, or for wipes, my bad. Then we're going to put the little necklace on sideways. We're going to take our hairspray, put it in. You want to put everything in nicely. Actually, I'm going to put these flat down. There we go, like that. And those 3 pieces of ribbon from earlier, we're gonna grab those. So then we're gonna stick the ribbon through the holes. And get the ribbon through the holes. Gonna line them up. Oh, it's gonna be easier if you twist it at the end and then poke it through. That's gonna help you a lot. Now you're going to even them up. Just like that. And then we're going to tie it in the middle, double knot. And then we're going to curl the ribbon. So then, this is how it's going to look. So there at the end, you'll have your 2 gift bags, the one with the gifts and the one with the goodies. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe please.